Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Let's have a look at gold first. That's the weekly chart on gold. And as you can see, gold is squeezing up in this triangle. I connected the weekly candles of the bodies here. and we are squeezing up. Gold is respecting these two areas. So once we break above 1870, that's a long sign, a bullish sign. Target is right here, uh, previous all-time high and a little bit above. That's the short-term price target. Of course, I have longer-term price targets. So on the weekly, we can see that we touched the bottom of this sort of triangle, and we bounce back. And now probably we are starting our way to the upside. As you can see, we can have weeks to the downside. It's still possible. However, it may not happen. Why? Because I also have this trend line here, short-term trend line, and connected the wicks of the weekly candles. And as you can see, the wicks respect this trend line. So probably we will not get below that, but we are starting our way to the upside. Right, good. Let's just have a quick look at the daily chart on gold. So there's the daily chart on gold. Oops, here we go. We are spending some time here consolidating here above this area of support. I consider this as an area of support, and we are likely to go to the next area, 1800 levels. However, the 20-day EMA and 50-day EMA they are all here, and so this could also offer some resistance, and especially because 20-day EMA crossed 50-day EMA, and that's a bearish sign, so it's quite difficult right now to get back above it. However, I think that's what we are going to do. Let's go over to silver. Good. So silver, that's the silver chart, and oops, here we go. All right, here we go. Let me just, yeah, here, like that. And silver fell below $22 level but bounced back as expected. $22 level has been an area of support, a strong support for now. So, but we are in this area, which is an area of no one's land for me, in my eyes. Need to get above there. And so what I see here is that we have this formation. We might slowly grind up back to 22.5, 22.6, spend some time here, have a pullback, and then eventually start our way up. And this way we could form an inverse head and shoulder pattern again, just like we did here. We fell and we pulled back and we started our way upside. We might do the same here. Yeah, let's just have a quick look at the weekly chart. So that's silver, and that's the weekly chart on silver. And here we go. Here we go. Yeah, so as you can see, we are at this area that has been an area of support for quite a while, and we have fallen back, started our way up and pulled back again. Are we forming a W pattern, bottoming pattern here? We will see, we shall see. We bounce back up above $22 level. It doesn't mean that we can't have a week to the downside. I don't think we will have that, but silver, just like here, before starting our way up, we had a flash crash, pullback, and then we started our way up. So if we do go below $22 level again, we prepared for a flash crash, and then we will come back. This will, I think this will only be a false break down, and we will come back sooner or later. But of course, when we go below $22 level, that's always a short signal. But we need to be careful and close the shorts in time if someone is shorting this market. But it's more probable that we are going up. We are starting our way up back to these levels, and hopefully this time we will reach $28 level and above. It is possible, very possible. So but we will probably spend some time around this area. So